Hey there, future moneymaker. So, you're dreaming of diving into the ocean of online cash, and guess what? It's not rocket science. Trillions of dollars are doing the cha-cha worldwide every day, and there's room for you to join the dance floor. Look, folks who probably can't find their way out of a paper bag are raking in the dough online. Why not you? In this video, I'm not here to bore you with a lecture on quantum physics. I'm here to show you how to turn your dreams of financial bliss into reality, pronto. Now, when it comes to making that sweet moolah, it's basically like choosing between chocolate and vanilla, or maybe something fancier. You either sell a product or peddle your skills as a service. Simple, right? Let's talk shop. Ever heard of drop shipping? It's like being the matchmaker between a wholesaler and a buyer. You just play Cupid, connecting them through your online store. Or how about being an agency superhero? You save businesses in distress by offering killer services like marketing, video editing, and even some magical copywriting. And hey, ever thought about becoming an influencer? Build your own brand, get cozy with sponsorship deals, and maybe sell a thing or two to your adoring fans. Freelancing is also a superhero move, from copywriting to web design. You name it, you get paid for it. Oh, and the cool kids are making user-generated content, UGC. Brands are throwing wads of cash at it because, let's face it, authenticity sells like hotcakes. In a nutshell, pick a method, get darn good at it, and ride it to the sunset of financial freedom. Whether you're into drop shipping, agency gigs, or creating UGC, that's more lit than a birthday cake. The goal is the same: cash, cha-ching, ka-chow. So, buckle up, my friend. Your online money-making adventure is about to take off. Cheers to your future financial startup.